In the name of Allah, the most loving, caring and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to online classes again. This is lecture number 9 and the topics which are included in lecture number 9 are, first of all, from English A we shall do chapter number 2 a dialogue, and we shall do translation of page number 8. We will complete the translation of this chapter. Then from English B we shall do use of had. We had discussed the introduction of use of had. Now we have to do the exercise of use of had. First of all, we shall start from chapter number 2, translation, page number 8. For this you have to open your book. It will be easy for you to understand. Here are the meanings of the first paragraph. Fit, मुनासिब, help, मदद, immediately, फौरी तौर पर, teacher, उस्ताद, plan, इरादा, exams, इम्तिहानात, decided, फैसला, medicine, तिब, however, ताहम, marks, number, business, कारोबार, agriculture, ज़रात. Okay, here is the first paragraph of page number 8, chapter number 2. You can open your book also, that is on page number 8. Okay, uncle, that's good. I am glad to know that your brother has taught it fit to help you immediately. I know he is a good teacher. What do you plan to do after your matriculation exams, Qasim? I have decided to go in for medicine if I get a good position. If, however, I don't get good marks, I may go into business or agriculture. So focus on the first line. Uncle, चचा जान, that's good. ये अच्छी बात है. I am glad. मुझे खुशी हुई है to know, ये जानकर, that के your brother, तुम्हारे भाई, has taught it fit ने मुनासिब समझा है टू हेल्प यू तुम्हारी मदद करना इमीडिएटली फौरी तौर पर. व्हाट विल बी द सेंटेंस? मुझे ये जानकर खुशी हुई है कि तुम्हारे भाई ने फौरी तौर पर तुम्हारी मदद करना मुनासिब समझा है. आई नो, मैं जानता हूँ, ही इज़ अ गुड टीचर, वो एक अच्छे उस्ताद हैं. व्हाट डू यू प्लान टू डू? तुम्हारा क्या करने का इरादा है आफ्टर योर मैट्रिकुलेशन एग्जाम्स, मैट्रिक के इम्तिहानात के बाद. मैं जानता हूँ वो एक अच्छे उस्ताद हैं. मैट्रिक के इम्तिहानात के बाद तुम्हारा क्या करने का इरादा है. कासिम, आई हैव डिसाइडेड, मैंने फैसला किया है टू गो इन, जाने का, इन फॉर मेडिसिन, तिब में, इफ अगर, आई गेट अ गुड पोजीशन, मैं अच्छा दर्जा लेता हूँ तो. अगर मैं अच्छा दर्जा लेता हूँ तो मैंने तिब में जाने का फैसला किया है. इफ अगर, हाउएवर, ताहम, आई डू नॉट गेट गुड मार्क्स, मैं अच्छे नंबर नहीं ले पाता. आई मे गो, तो शायद मैं चला जाऊं, इनटू बिजनेस और एग्रीकल्चर, कारोबार या ज़रात में. What will be the sentence? अगर मैं अच्छा दर्जा लेता हूँ तो मैंने तिब में जाने का फैसला किया. This will be the first sentence. The second will be ताहम, अगर मैं अच्छे नंबर नहीं ले पाता तो शायद मैं कारोबार या ज़रात में चला जाऊं. So this is the first paragraph from page number 8, chapter number 2. I hope that you have understood. Now here is the meanings of second paragraph. You can say that second portion because there are no paragraphs. This is like a dialogue. So this is the second portion of page number 8. Whatever, जो भी, life, जिंदगी, should, चाहिए, international, बैनुल अक़वामी, language, ज़बान, technology you have to write in Urdu, keep, रखना, mind, ज़हन, van, wagon. So these are the meanings. You have to write them on your book. Okay, students, here is the second portion and you can say that second paragraph of page number 8, chapter number 2. You can open page number 8 also. I will read first of all, then I will explain one by one. Uncle, whatever your plans for life are, Qasim, your English has to be good. We should know that English has become an international language and the language of science and technology. Qasim, you are very right, uncle. I will keep that in mind. My school van has come and I must go now. Allah Hafiz. Uncle, Allah Hafiz. Now focus on the first line. Uncle, whatever mean, जो भी, your plans, तुम्हारे मंसूबे, for life are, जिंदगी से मुतल्लिक हैं, कासिम, कासिम, जिंदगी से मुतल्लिक तुम्हारे जो भी मंसूबे हैं, योर इंग्लिश, तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी, हैज़ टू बी गुड, अच्छी होनी चाहिए. कासिम, जिंदगी से मुतल्लिक तुम्हारे जो भी मंसूबे हैं, तुम्हारी इंग्लिश अच्छी होनी चाहिए. वही, हमें, शुड चाहिए, नो, इल्म होना, डैट के, इंग्लिश हैज़ बिकम, इंग्लिश बन चुकी है, एन इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज, बैनुल अक़वामी ज़ुबान, एंड द लैंग्वेज ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, और साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़ुबान. वट विल बी द सेंटेंस? हमें इल्म होना चाहिए कि अंग्रेजी एक बैनुल अक़वामी ज़ुबान और साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़ुबान बन चुकी है. कासिम, यू आर वेरी राइट. कासिम, आप बिल्कुल ठीक कहते हैं. अंकल, चचा जान, आई विल कीप डैट, मैं ये रखूंगा, इन माइंड, जहन में, मैं ये बात जहन में रखूंगा. वी हैव टू ऐड दिस इन दिस सेंटेंस. मैं ये बात जहन में रखूंगा. माई स्कूल, मेरे स्कूल की, वैन, वैगन, हैज कम, आ गई है, मेरे स्कूल की वैगन आ गई है, एंड आई मस्ट गो, और मुझे जाना चाहिए, नाउ, अब. मेरे स्कूल की वैन आज गई है और मुझे अब जाना चाहिए. अल्लाह हाफिज. Uncle, Chacha Jan, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Now here is the second portion. Okay students, now we had done translation of chapter number 2. I hope that you have understood this. Now we have to start the exercise, but before we have to start the exercise, we have to do glossary words. Glossary words means we have to learn the meanings in English into English. Now here are some words from this chapter. You have to learn them by heart. First is deficiency, कमी, lacking something. Has thought it fit, ये मुनासिब समझा है, has thought it proper. Go in for, इख्तियार करना, to choose something as one's career. Particularly, खास तौर पर, especially. Recovered, सेहतयाब होना, to get back one's health. Extra, जायद या अजाफी, more than what is usual. Finish, मुकम्मल करना या ख़त्म करना, to come to an end. Now these are the glossary words. You have to learn them. Okay students, now we have to do something from English. We shall do use of had. We had done use of has and have. Now we have to do the exercise of had. Here are the first 5 sentences of use of had. किसान के पास दरंती न थी is showing that it is in past, and na is showing that it is negative. So we have to write, and the number are not mentioned, so we have to use no here. The farmer had no sickle. तुम्हारे भाई के पास पिस्तौल ना था. It is also in negative, so we have to write your brother had no pistol. Numbers are not mentioned, so we have to write no. Your brother had no pistol. हमारा नौकर बंदूक का लाइसेंस नहीं रखता था. It is also in negative, and there is not number mentioning, so we have to write no here, and this is in past because at the end of the sentence there is tha. So the sentence will be our servant had no license of gun. उनके पास एक नया हल था. Tha is showing that it is in past. Now they had a new plow. अंधे फकीर के पास लैंप क्यों नहीं था. There is क्यों also and there is नहीं also. It means that this is interrogative also and this is negative also. First of all, we have to write the English of क्यों. That is why. Then after it we have to write the helping verb, that is had. And we have to write the not or no after the subject. What will be the sentence? Why had the blind beggar no lamp? Question mark. So these are the 5 sentences of use of had. Now here are 5 more sentences. Focus on these students. क्या घोड़ा लगाम और जीन रखता था. क्या is showing that it is interrogative, and tha is showing that it is in past tense. Now we have to write had at the start of the sentence. When there is kya in the sentence, then we have to write had at the start of the sentence. When there is word क्यों, क्या, क्यों, कैसे, then we have to write the English of that word. So the sentence will be had the horse bridle and saddle. नन्ही के पास एक अजीब गुड़िया थी. नन्ही has a strange doll. असगर के पास कितने लट्टू थे. कितने we have to write first of all the English of कितने, that is how, and many tops had because this is in past. असगर, how many tops had असगर. हमारे पास कोई शिकारी कुत्ता ना था. There is not mentioning the number, so we have to write no here. We had no hounds. क्या उस शहर का घंटा घर था. क्या is showing that it is interrogative. था is showing that it is past. Has this city clock tower question mark. There are 5 more sentences. इस दरिया पर पुल क्यों ना था. क्यों we have to write the English of first of all क्यों. Why, then helping verb had. Why had this river no bridge. We have to write no here. सिपाही वर्दी क्यों नहीं रखता था. We have to write first of all the English of क्यों, that is why. Then this is we have to write the had. Why had the soldier no uniform question mark. गार्ड के पास 2 झंडियां थी. थी showing that it is past, so the guard had 2 flags. खिलाड़ियों के पास सामान न था. था is in past, so we have to write had. The players had no luggage. क्या इस गाय के सींग न थे. क्या, it is in interrogative. We have to write had at the start of the sentence. Had this cow no horns question mark. No. Here are last 5 sentences of this exercise. क्या जहाज में कोई मुसाफिर न था. Now here is interrogative also and negative also. Now focus on this. First of all, we have to write helping verb at the start of the sentence. Had is the helping verb in this tense because there is tha at the end of the sentence. Now we have to write had at the start of the sentence. After it, we have to write the subject, that is the aeroplane. Aeroplane. Had the aeroplane, then we have to write no. After the subject, we have to write no. Had the aeroplane no passenger question mark. आपके मकान का ताला न था. Your house had no lock. मेरे साइकिल के साथ घंटी न थी. It is negative, but I'm not mentioning. My cycle had no bell. स्कूल का चपरासी न था. Now the school had no peon. स्कूल के दफ्तर में कायद-ए-आज़म की बड़ी तस्वीर थी. The school office had a big portrait of कायद-ए-आज़म. Now here are the sentences, 20 sentences of this exercise. I hope that you have understood the difference between has, have and had. We had done in them into 3 lectures. Okay students, what we had done in this lecture, first of all we had completed the translation of this chapter. We had done page number 8 translation. After it we had done glossary words, English to English meaning. Then after it we have completed had exercise. 20 sentences were there. I hope that you have understood all these points. I am signing out here. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.